90s kids will totally remember this. But 2K kids? They do it differently back in the 90s. Connecting a bulb to batteries was an adventure. No fancy gadgets. Just our hands, wires, and a little creativity. Two AA batteries taped together. Wires carefully attached. If you're a 90s kid, hit that like button. And subscribe for more fun throwback experiments. Look at both setups side by side. Old school creativity versus new school efficiency. Who did it better? You decide. We had to figure it out ourselves. Every success felt like winning a science prize. And the moment we touched the bulb, it lit up. Magic, right, now. Let's see how kids born after 2000 do the same thing. Modern kids have battery holders, neatly connected wires, and everything works instantly. It is clean, safe, but a little less fun. 90s kids, hands-on creativity, improvisation, and learning by trial and error. 2K kids, neat, modern, and efficient. Which do you prefer? Notice how the 90s method sparks problem-solving skills, while the 2K method focuses on precision. Both teach, but in very different ways. Some bulbs didn't light the first time, and that made it even more exciting back then. If you're a 2K kid, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun throwback experiments.